Today I'm taking a look at the Ice Cube stamp tray. Comes with a little storage pouch, and there is the stamp itself. So it has a rubber, feels like a silicone material as our holder for it, and there is the design. So this is designed to fit a 2-inch ice cube, and you can put it on there and you can get whichever design you want, or 4 different designs if you prefer. So here I've got a 2x2 cube. Just leave it on there for 5 seconds. Oh, that's cool. And you can see the pattern that leaves, and that took no time at all. Let's do another one. There's that pattern. There is our third pattern. And there is our fourth pattern. So very interesting to have a texture on your ice. So if you're into having premium ice and you want to go that extra mile, that is going to be the way to do it. So overall, that is a very nice stamp.